Hello, I'm here with SM's SMCU Palace 2022. So last year they did the same thing, so these actually shipped out quicker than I thought because last year there was such a delay. And then I got them like in February when they were released like in January. But they are here. So I got Aespa's version and Red Velvet's. And I got NCT 127 and NCT Dream. So, and I also got the two versions with all of the groups in it. Okay, so this is the Palace version. It's a bit like the last year's version, but it's white. And this one is the portrait book version. So I got two of each, and I'm actually like so scared to open these. There's so many photo cards you could get, and I just really hope I don't get the DJs, no offense, but yeah, they're probably very untradeable, but no offense to them. It just, I don't think anyone really collects the DJs, but let me know otherwise. But I'm hoping for a Red Velvet member, Aespa member, but I feel like I'm gonna get like an NCT member or something, but I wouldn't be mad about that. Let's start off with the boy groups. So this is NCT 127. So I'm not sure which one I like better, last year's or this one. I think this one looks more pretty. Last year was just kind of like a brown envelope. But yeah, I collect NCT 127, but I won't be collecting for like SMCU. I don't collect their full sets. So whoever I pull, I'm just gonna keep. Yeah, it's just too much to keep up with. I love the songs on this album too. Hot and Cold is really good. So, starting off, oh, it's like a ski concept. I really like this. Looks like they're in the snow. What is Johnny drinking? I like Yuta's boots though. Tail has boots on too. Oh, Tail's chain though. Okay, now they're in a Mustang. Okay, everyone is wearing pool boots. But they're like drinking alcohol in a Mustang. I do like this concept though. Okay, that's the end. The CD's here. Amount of guest, 58. That's crazy. Okay, so I'm not sure if this is random. It might be. Oh, I got Taeyong. Yay. He's my bias, so cute. And then I think it's a group poster. Oh, this one is more glossy. And the other poster is like papery. And oh, there's a track list on the back. Cool. So I think you get a postcard too. Random. Hey Chan. Hey John. Ooh, his purple hair. I don't think you got a postcard last time, but ooh, I think I got tail. Tail? Ooh, I like his chain. Cute. Okay, so I got tail. So cute. So moving on. Moving on to NCT Dream. Okay. Are they in the snow too? I think everyone's kind of in the snow, but this one looks more light. I don't know. Hey, Jan. He's here as well, and Mark. You know, it's more like of a sunny winter. This is a pretty picture. I wonder if this is the same as that as NCT 127 that HM and Mark is in. They look like darker. I'm gonna check real quick. Oh yeah, he is wearing the same outfit. That's so funny. Because everyone else is kind of like in a lighter background. While Mark and Heijun are in the dark. Yeah, I do collect 3 members in NCT Dream, but again, I am not collecting them for SMCU, just for their albums. Ooh, I like that picture. So the CD looks the same. So random poster is Jamin. Cute. And the postcard, I mean, let's do a group poster first. Cute. I wonder if they edited Heijun and Mark. And then the track list is the same. Postcard is Heijun. I got 2 Heijuns. That's so funny. And I see the back of this one. Yay. Jisung is my bias, so yay. Cool. So I got Jisung. This is so cute. Okay, so that was NCT Dream. Okay, next is Red Velvet. I'm excited for this one. Okay. I'm really hoping to pull Irene, but the chances are slim. I hardly pull Irene. But yeah, I'm definitely collecting Irene's photo card for this. Ooh, I like this outfit. These pictures are so pretty. But I'm gonna have to mute this section, I think, because my dog is barking so loud. So cute. And the CD is the same. Okay, I'm gonna start with a group poster. So pretty. This is the same. Okay, a random poster is Irene. Yay. So cute. Ooh, Silky. So cute. And then I see the back. It's a member I like literally never pull. Joy. Okay. I hardly pull Joy, so it's so funny that I pulled her here. Cute. Okay. Okay, so now I have Aespa's version. I actually got 2 of these. Yeah, I collect Karina and Winter, and I try to collect them in all things, so I got 2 copies of this. Ning Ning. Winter has like a cute photo card in this one. She has like a bunny hood on. Wow, that's so cute. Just a random popsicle. I think I forgot to take out the stuff in the back. What is Karina's skirt? What is that? Cute. Okay, a random CD player. So cute. Okay, so there's the city. Okay, so the group poster. Very cute. Random poster. Winter. I like her makeup. And I don't want to see the back of the photo card. Postcard. Ooh, Karina. Yay. And the photo card is Ning Ning. Oh my god, this is so cute. So I got Ning Ning. I love her cheeks. Okay, hopefully the next copy is not like a complete dupe. Let's see if it's the same poster. Oh, it's different. Karina. Okay, so I got a different poster, so hopefully these are different. Oh, Ning Ning. Okay, different postcard. I'm scared for the photo card. Giselle. Okay. Someone's doing her hair. Okay, so I didn't get Winter or Karina, but these are cute too. So now moving on to the bigger versions. Okay, so I have 2 copies of the portrait book. Okay, so there's 58 members in all these groups. There's 46 men and 12 women. It's crazy. So all the groups are here. There's the back. I don't know where everything is, so I'm so scared. I think you get 2 photo cards. I'm not sure. Last time you got 2. Okay. Ooh, this is so cool. So there's all the members here. So these are more like cardboard, like paper. I do not know all the members of Super Junior or I think Super Junior is the only group I don't know all the members, so if I pull one of their photo cards I might not know their name, but I think I know everyone else. So cute. I forgot Shotaro and some Chan are here. This is so cute. See, like, I'm not sure who that is. Oh, he's a DJ. Okay, yeah, I don't know the DJs either. But I know everyone else. I'm trying to think who I pulled last time. Last year I think I pulled Geno twice, which was pretty good because he's easily traded. Yeah, from this, I probably am just collecting Irene and Karina. So it's a slim chance of getting them, but hopefully I can get someone that could be traded. But yeah, I think I paid like $60 for Irene's card last year because I couldn't find a trade. This is so cute. Okay, so that went by pretty fast. It's more of like a paper lyric thing. Oh, you got a postcard. I didn't even know that. Oh, I got the Singles Inferno host guy. He's from Super Junior. Yeah, I'm so sorry I don't know his name, but I know that he's in Singles Inferno. He's like the host. Okay, so the photo cards are like face up, so I'm scared. Oh, I got SMTOWN. Oh my god. I haven't like seen Wavy in so long. SMTOWN, okay. I got an NCT Wavy member. And I don't know what this is. Imlay? Oh my god. Are you serious? I got the DJ. I'm so sorry, but like I don't think anyone would want to trade for him, but he looks cute. we got the DJ. Let's move on to the next one. Oh god. Please don't be the DJ again. Oh, I got a different postcard. It's Yang Yang. Cool. I can't believe this. This is the Palace version. Hopefully I don't get the DJ in this one. So here's the photo book. This is the CD. This is the thing again. I think it's the same. I don't know what's in here. Nothing? Okay. Maybe everything fell out, but there was nothing in here. Envelope. Papers. I guess you could write a letter or something.
That's supposed to be like a little invitation you put in the envelope.
A lift ticket. I got wavies. It's cute. And I don't know what this is. Oh, I guess it's just like a long thing. Like they had a poster last year. That's cute. So many members. And then I saw this win-win card. But I got win-win. It's so cute. And I'm so scared. Please.
You get 2 cards?
Yeah. Oh, Renjun. Cute.
Oh, I was like, who the hell?
His side profile.
Come on.
Okay. I'm not mad at that. These are super cute. And I got all men so far.
Where are the women?
Extra copy is probably going to be the same. Okay, so yeah, I got a Wavies lift ticket again. It's probably going to be the same. See the postcard. Yeah, it's the same photo cards. I'm not mad at these. Well, there's nothing in this envelope. I guess it's just, you could use it if you want. So that was my unboxing of the 2022 Winter SMTOWN SMCU Palace. Yeah, it was super fun going through this, and thanks for watching.